Today I'm going to show you how to make a custard, and I'm going to use it as a dessert in fruit custard. So let's start custard. I'm going to measure out, let's see how much cream I have. I'm going to let it simmer while I separate the eggs. Crack the egg. So 1, 2, and 3. It took me about 4-5 minutes, but if you can see the egg, it is aerated. I'm going to use 1, 2, 3, 6 cubes. You can see it started to simmer already. The bubbles are coming out. So this is where I need to take it off the heat and hold it for a minute. I will put this tempered egg yolk and vanilla back into this cream. But we need to make sure that it does not boil. It just needs to simmer and thicken. It's kind of coating the spatula. So 2 cups of cream gave me 4 servings of custard. So yeah, that was custard. If you have any questions, comments, you want some recipes, you have any requests, you can email me at chefthecuisine@ams.ubc.ca.